Good morning. Today is Friday, and I'm here at LAX. So right now I'm between the terminal connectors between Terminal 6 and 7. So behind me you see some Virgin of America planes and Alaska planes, and we're actually going to hit up the United Club Lounge here at LAX. And I've never actually gone to the United Club here at LAX, so it'll be my first time. I've heard good things about it, but yeah, some things are how do you get in? So I have the United Mileage Plus card, and so that comes with 2 free one-time passes that you can use to access the lounge, and so I'll be using those to get in. If you want to pay to get in, I think it's around $60. So I mean, the value you're getting is already like $120 because they give you 2 free passes for a $95 annual fee, among other things. If you look over here, those are some United planes, and yeah, I've actually never gone here to this terminal connector, but you get a really nice view of the tarmac right between Terminal 6 and Terminal 7. So then, yeah. And I think it's over there. I'm not really too sure, but yeah. United Club. I've vlogged some of this in the past, just not at LAX, just at different places. So it's probably breakfast items like yogurt, granola, maybe some muffins and pastries and all that. So I'm pretty hungry. It's what, like 5:30 a.m. So hopefully I can get a bite to eat. And so yeah, we're here, right here. You see that? United Club. And we're actually here already. Whoa, that was really fast. United Club. Alright, well, here we go. Are you hungry, Mom? Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Very hungry, yeah. So this is this is our first time at the United Club at LAX, but I hear it's very like nice, very new, pristine. Just very clean and very spacious. So this is what you see right here. Get a nice view of the tarmac. You're pretty high, so look at all the planes. Alright, well, let's go get some food. Pretty standard for United, but I just like how there's so much space, so much. I like the lighting in here and stuff. So yeah, Jess said this was one of the better ones. All right, well, I'm gonna go get food now because I'm hungry. So yeah. Going out into the terrace. As you can hear, it's really loud, but it's because there are planes. And so if I swing around here, it's actually pretty nice. This is where I just came out of. And then here are some chairs and seats. It's really loud because you can literally hear the plane like right over here, so I'm kind of talking louder. It's really cool because here we're at Terminal 7, and that's also Terminal 8, but United owns both, so I feel like United and Delta have like the majority here, but that's pretty debatable. Anyway, yeah, it's like you can see up here, it's like open air, open space. Yeah, hey, look, a couch. Never actually done this before, so yeah, this couch is I don't know. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, so you could see planes taxiing and all that stuff, all the good stuff. There's a Spirit Airlines plane right in the distance. It's just so cool to be like not at the gate, but you could hear the planes. But I definitely would not be here if I wanted to get work done. So yeah. And now we're going to go check out stuff inside. So yeah. Looks like a quiet place to nap and stuff. Let's just take a look around everywhere. Can't go there. Okay, yeah, so here's the food, a bunch of drinks, pretty standard for United. A bunch of pastries, fruit, yogurt, granola in the morning. And then, yeah, it's a pretty cool shop. So now I'm gonna take you to like the main area. Oh, hey, look. Oh, wow. I did not know that this was here. So, let's go with some orange and lime juice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And then here's the escalators we just came up from. Over there, I think it's like help with your flight, your United flight or anything. So, yeah. Overall pretty spacious, so I kind of like that. I don't know what's over here actually. Probably more seating. Yeah, it's good. Oh, it's a phone room, so you can come here and take a phone call. Let's just open one of these up. Yeah, so there's a phone room here. Wow, it's pretty good at isolating noise. Like, yeah, I think these dampeners really do their job. All right, let's go out. Yeah, don't know what that is. Probably like a conference room. And here it says private, so probably just like a conference room and stuff like that. But cool place to sit down and have some quiet time. And as you can see, it's the theme building, and yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Just so much seating. Just so many varieties of seats. That's what I really like. It's very spacious. Space-wise, it's top notch. It's really nice and polite and everything. And it really makes you have a good pre-flight experience. Alright, one last look at the planes. The Air Canada, Virgin America, all that stuff. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm not sure if I can answer them, but hopefully I can. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.